Ah, okay. Now, this is actually Spidey's house, which, he's a villain, and yeah. Ha 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 ha. This is your death. And I will make your death quick and easy, because this is my house, and I will do anything. Kill you. Anything. Oh, you just stole the punchline. It's on now. What are they? Darts? Or something like Yes, I win. And you lose. No. Don't. You lose. Dun dun dun. Did I win? I think I did. You sold this house before. Well, actually, this is the first episode in it, so yeah, you did it. I think I... darn. Okay, I think I won. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye. Hey, just stole the punchline. I'll be back.